Hello, I'm Alice Sadness, and today's video will be about Sounds of a Soul. And I've written a post about this subject some time ago, and since then I've added few more titles to my list, and at first maybe let me tell you what it's about. Well, in 2020, I heard those two amazing records by Taylor Swift, Folklore and Evermore, and that's when I realized this is how the soul sounds like, and um, and after that I've heard few more songs and records that make me feel in a similar way to Taylor's music, and I've just started calling it Sounds of a Soul. And it's this kind of feeling that I get when I'm listening to music. It feels like I'm diving into deep, and I can quite touch and see the soul of a musician, and it's like this music that I hear has a soul. I mean, it's so deep. It's like, you know how it feels when you're jumping into the pool, or when you're just floating and swimming and stuff. I mean, this is a very similar feeling that I get when I listen to this kind of music. And as I've said, the first example that made me feel this way about music is Taylor Swift, Folklore and Evermore. And after that, I've heard a very poetical record by Luke Hemmings. When we are facing things we are turned away from, something like that. I'm so sorry for messing this title up. But at least I'm honest. So this is the second album, which I've realized is very poetical and makes me feel in a similar way. I mean, it's so honest, and this kind of music is like diving into the water, and it's like this music is just a soul. And after that, I've heard EP Prelude by Lauren Jauregui. I'm sorry, this surname is quite difficult for me to understand. And after that, this year, another EP came out in between, and again it's so poetical and beautiful, but I feel like I could connect with Prelude more, but it's still, I think, this kind of music that I can call Sounds of a Soul. And after that, I must mention Malibu by the Trigarera. And by the way, feel free to check out this whole record. It's called Summer Mixtape, and I feel like Malibu is the song that needs to be, more needs to be more maybe another word. I mean, this song is this kind of song that deserves to be more heard, more, I don't know, liked by people, more more known. Oh. And the same thing with this album. I mean, it's really really good, and I'm quite surprised that it's not the biggest hit, and this song deserves a Grammy. And after that, I must say about another song which came out this year, Ed Sheeran and Substract, and we have their two first songs, boat and salt water, and I feel like these two songs are a perfect representation of what I talk about here. I mean, the feeling of diving into water, but I feel like salt water is, I don't know, touch me more in such a spiritual way. So, but by the way, if you like boat and salt water, feel free to check out the full record because it's a similar, I think, vibe like folklore and or Evermore, and this way we've come in such a circle. And well, I think that's it. And well, I will need to update this post about Sounds of a Soul because I've mentioned here two more new records and songs which I think can be called as Sounds of a Soul. And this way I'm ending this video. Well, I hope you like this, and you can like if you like this. You can comment and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and well, see ya, see ya later.